Hello everyone, my name is Bojchev and I work as a ServiceNow developer in digital and software solutions. In this lesson I will show you how to create a transform data resource in UI Builder. First I will start by opening the service operation workspace. This is the workspace that we will use. And I open the incident record. As you can see, it's already opened. And the idea of this video is here in the sidebar. I will create a new component, a container component, and I will change the visibility of component by the data resource and the information in the component by the data resource too. That's the main idea. So firstly, how to create a data resource. Here by clicking the plus sign and create, then transform. You will go in this page. I already populated the information, as you can see. So now I'll explain everything. The name is, you can name it as you like. In this situation is visibility. The properties, I have two properties, table and record ID. The table is incident and the SSID of the incident is the next property. I get the properties like this, input object, this is the input object. And the properties are passed from the UI Builder, the information of them. Then after I get the properties, I'm doing the GlideRecord of the incident, and if this record is existing, I'm getting the business service field and the comments field inside it. So if it's not empty, I'll populate the comments here in the return, and I'll return false, so the component will be visible. Else comments is empty and the component will not be visible. That's the data resource. And here in the mutate server data, if it's checked, the data resource will be executed by button or client script. If it's unchecked, it will be executed by page ready, and it's refresh data resource, like this. So on the next, then from the page properties, I will add table, props table, as you can see, incident, like this. Then I will add SysID, like this. That's it for the data resource. Next thing, I will create the sidebar things. Sidebar, duplicate the whole container. I'll just change the CSS of the container here to be column direction. Then stylized text will be comments. Then I'll duplicate the stylized text, delete the button, delete it, and the stylized text will be paragraph and the information of the comment. So I'll return from the data resource here, output, comments, click apply, and the next thing is the visibility. So visibility, I'll return data resource, visibility, output, and boom. And that's the whole thing. Click save and see what we have done. Refresh. So as you can see, there is comments is shown, because in the service field here comments is populated. So if I change to be different, something different, like BlackBerry, and I save it, then refresh, we can see that component now is not visible. And that's it. That's how to create custom data resource in UI Builder and use the information from it. Thank you for watching.